Want to master Windows Clock and get more control over your time? From alarms and timers to stopwatch, focus sessions, world clocks, and time settings, Windows Clock has several useful tools for managing your day. In this guide, I'll show you how to master Windows Clock in 2026. Let's start with alarms. Use alarms for important events, reminders, meetings, or recurring daily tasks. Create an alarm, choose the time, select the repeat days you need, and give it a clear name. You can also customize the alarm sound when those options are available. Next, master the timer feature. Timers are useful for cooking, studying, workouts, meetings, and focused work. Set the exact duration you need, start the countdown, and use multiple timers when your workflow requires different time limits. The stopwatch is useful when you need to measure how long something actually takes. Start it when your task begins, use laps to track individual stages, and stop it when you're finished. This can help you understand how you're spending your time. For productivity, use focus sessions. Set a realistic focus duration, plan your breaks, and connect each session to a specific task. Instead of trying to multitask, use each session to concentrate on one important priority. If you work with people in different countries, use World Clock to keep track of different time zones. Add locations that matter to you and quickly compare their local times before scheduling calls or meetings. Now take a look at the clock app's available settings. Depending on your Windows version, you can adjust options related to notifications, sounds, appearance, and other app preferences. Customizing these settings can make clock work better for your personal routine. To keep everything working smoothly, regularly check for updates. Open the Microsoft Store and check for app updates, then open Windows Update in Settings and install available system updates. Updates can include important bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Finally, combine the features into one simple routine. Use alarms for important events, focus sessions for deep work, timers for individual tasks, the stopwatch for time tracking, and world clocks for international schedules. Using these tools together can turn Windows Clock into a practical daily time management system. And that's how to master Windows Clock in 2026. Once you learn how to use alarms, timers, stopwatch, focus sessions, world clocks, and the available settings, you can use Windows Clock much more effectively every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.